Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain how you can change the color of your Trello cards. So let's jump into it. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com if you're not already logged in. Just click the login button at the top right corner. You can log in using your email or simply sign in with your Google account, whichever is faster for you. Once you're in, head to your Trello dashboard. Click on the Boards tab and select the board where you want to change a card's color. Now, find the card you want to customize and click on it. This opens the card's detailed view. On the right-hand menu, look for the option labeled Cover and click on it. Here, Trello gives you multiple color swatches to choose from. Just select a color, and it'll instantly appear on your card. You can also decide how much space the color should take. Choose full if you want the entire card background filled, or go for a small cover to just color the top portion. This is a simple way to visually organize your board, for example, using green for completed tasks, red for urgent ones, or blue for planning.